Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting electric luxury sedans of the year, the 2025 BYD Denza Z9 GT. This isn't just a car, it's a bold statement in design, innovation, and performance from BYD's premium sub-brand Denza, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's start with the design, because the Z9 GT makes an unforgettable first impression. With a low-slung profile, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and a high-gloss pure gray finish, this car screams futuristic luxury. The front fascia is aggressive yet refined, with ultra-glossy black LED headlights that are not only beautiful to look at but are precision-engineered for visibility and energy efficiency. The front grille has been minimized, replaced with a smooth surface that flows naturally into the body, giving it that EV aesthetic while still looking sporty and elegant. On the sides, you'll notice the flush door handles and bold alloy wheels, fully modified and finished in high-gloss black. Around back, the BYD logo is proudly displayed at the center, framed by sleek LED taillights that span the rear and give it a commanding presence when lit. Moving to the interior, this is where the Denza Z9 GT really pulls away from the crowd. Step inside and you're welcomed by an ultra-modern cabin filled with luxury finishes. The dashboard is a work of art, housing a massive central infotainment screen with rich colors and intuitive controls. The materials are top-tier: soft touch surfaces, piano black trims, brushed metal accents, and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin for that premium feel. The seats are fully upgraded with high-quality leather, stylish stitching, and ergonomic design that makes long drives a pleasure. It's quiet, it's tech-forward, and it's built to impress. Performance-wise, the Z9 GT is no slouch. It's expected to come with a tri-motor setup, delivering all-wheel drive and blistering acceleration. Early reports suggest a power output north of 900 horsepower, putting it in direct competition with models like the Porsche Taycan Turbo and the Tesla Model S Plaid. It glides on the road with confidence, and thanks to its low center of gravity and adaptive suspension, it handles corners with a smoothness you wouldn't expect from a car of this size. And with BYD's latest Blade battery technology, you can expect long range, fast charging, and excellent battery longevity. As for pricing, while exact figures haven't been fully confirmed globally, in China it's estimated to start around 600,000 RMB, which translates to roughly $83,000 USD. That's a competitive price point considering what you're getting: a fully loaded, high-performance electric luxury sedan with futuristic tech and undeniable style. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 BYD Denza Z9 GT. If you're into electric cars that blend performance, design, and cutting-edge features, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about BYD's latest flagship. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one on the Car Explorer.